Friends, if you live in a village and want to start a good and stable business, this video is for you. Today we have brought you the top 10 evergreen rural business ideas that can be started with low investment, offer the potential for a stable income and can operate throughout the years. Today, due to internet access, digital literacy, better road connectivity and government schemes, the image of villages is changing rapidly. People are now looking to start new businesses while living in villages and improve their lifestyle. The village market is also a powerful force, and all you need to do is choose the right business and work hard. So if you too are a villager and want to invest in or contribute to the development of your village, watch these 10 best business ideas mentioned in this video till the end. And before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest news of upcoming videos. So come, let's see the idea. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Handicrafts and handloom business. If your village has traditional skilled crafts such as weaving, embroidery or pottery, a handicrafts and handloom business can be a treasure trove for you. Yes friends, products made in Indian villages are in great demand both domestically and internationally, and people are increasingly preferring local and handmade products. So you can buy or manufacture carpets, bedspreads, handloom fabrics, bamboo products, jute bags, pottery, decorative items, and gift items from your village and sell them through urban retailers, online marketplaces, or social media to earn a good profit. Number 2. Mini flour mill. In rural areas, there is always a demand for flour and people prefer clean and freshly ground flour. Therefore, starting a small flour mill can be a very stable and profitable business, requiring only a small machine, a clean space, and electricity. You can offer grinding services for wheat, maize, rice, and millets. If you start packaging and selling the flour yourself, you can also distribute it outside the village, which can significantly increase your margins. Flour is a commodity whose consumption remains high year-round, and once your customers are satisfied, they are likely to become loyal customers. Number 3 is bottled water business. The demand for clean drinking water is continuously increasing, even in rural areas. Bottled water is always in high demand, especially at weddings, events, shops, and schools. Therefore, starting a small bottled water production plant with a bottling unit and the necessary licenses can be a very stable and reliable business. There, you can produce and supply 20-liter water jars and smaller bottles. The best aspect of this business is that once you acquire customers, they often become repeat buyers, which helps create a consistent cash flow. If you focus on hygiene and quality, your brand will become well known throughout the region. Number 4. Solar Power Service Center. In areas facing electricity shortages, the use of solar power panels is increasing rapidly in villages these days, as they offer a cheap and reliable alternative. Villages are constantly looking for reliable solar power service providers. Therefore, by starting a solar power service center, you can offer services such as installation, repairs, battery testing, inverter servicing, and the sale of new solar equipment. You can start this business independently or by partnering with a leading solar panel company. And since the government is also promoting solar energy, the demand for it is expected to increase manifold in the future. Number 5 is Agri-tech and smart farming. Today, agriculture has transformed into a smart and profitable industry by integrating technology. Farmers are increasingly adopting drip irrigation, soil testing, weather monitoring, smart spraying systems, mobile applications, and data-driven farming to adapt to today's changing environment. Therefore, you can provide farmers with new technologies, suitable crop selection, methods to increase production, and cost reduction solutions, and earn a sustainable and growing income through consulting, equipment sales, subscription services, or a commission model. Number 6. Small-scale manufacturing units. Using the raw materials available in your village, you can start a small-scale manufacturing business to produce finished products such as incense sticks, candles, paper plate, spices, soap, detergents, packaged snacks, biodegradable products, or small cement products. Furthermore, local labor is readily available for this type of business. And if you maintain quality, your products will be easily sold in nearby markets. Moreover, government schemes and mudra loans allow you to start this business with a small capital and gradually expand it. Number 7. Grain buying and selling business. There is never a shortage of grains in the villages, but farmers often do not receive a fair price. This gap can be turned into an opportunity for a business. That is, you can buy wheat, rice, pulses, maize and other grains directly from the farmers and sell them to wholesale markets, mills or retail stores in the city. This business operates on a low profit margin. However, if you establish the right connections and sell quality produce, your profits can grow steadily as the sales volume grows. Number 8. Medicinal plant cultivation. The demand for Ayurvedic and herbal products is increasing more than ever before, and companies are continuously seeking farmers to cultivate medicinal plants. In this situation, you can earn a very good income by cultivating plants like ashwagandha, tulsi, stevia, lemongrass, shatavari, and aloe vera. This type of farming requires low maintenance, less water, and has potential for healthy returns. Many large companies are also engaging in contract farming with farmers. Since a stable price is offered through this business can be highly profitable in rural areas in the long run. Number 9. Custom hiring centers for small farmers. For small farmers, purchasing tractors, harvesters, seed drills, sprayers, and other agricultural equipment is very expensive. Custom hiring centers offer a solution to this problem, where you purchase modern agricultural equipment and rent it out to farmers. This business is rapidly gaining popularity in rural areas because farmers can rent the machinery when needed and complete their work quickly and cost effectively. More importantly, the government provides subsidies and assistance for setting up these centers, which significantly reduce your risk. Number 10. Training center. Rural youth wants to learn skills to gain employment, but quality training is often not available in their area. Therefore, if you have good knowledge in a specific skill such as computer skills, tailoring, beauty salon services, mobile repair or any other technical trade, you can start a training center in your village with minimal investment. Or you can even collaborate with an accredited institution to provide certifications. This will build confidence among the students, and since this profession creates employment opportunities, it will also have a social impact. Friends, here are 10 excellent rural business ideas that can be started with minimal investment, create employment opportunities, and provide a bright future for your village. The best thing about these businesses is that they will always be in demand. If you work hard, honestly, and consistently, your business will become popular not only in your village, but also in many surrounding areas. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.